Have you ever had someone try to teach you something when you didn't ask for a lesson? Maybe it was a friend who turned a simple chat into a live coaching session or a TV show that suddenly got preachy. That's when things get didactic. So, what does didactic actually mean? It's a fancy word for something designed to teach, especially when there's a moral or ethical lesson involved. Think of epics like Mahabharata and Ramayana. Those aren't just stories, they are loaded with lessons and morals. In fact, that's what makes them didactic literature. Let's have some examples here. The didactic play aimed to teach the audience about the importance of environmental conservation. His speech was didactic, filled with advice and instructions on how to succeed in business. He explained the process didactically, ensuring that even beginners could understand. Notice didactic is an adjective, while didactically the adverb. She wrote didactically, aiming to educate the readers about the nutritional health. But here's the thing, didactic can also be used in a negative connotation. Ever been in a situation where someone is teaching you but it feels more like they are talking you down? That's when didactic gets a negative vibe. So if someone is talking to you in a very patronizing manner, we can say that he is being didactic. For example, he spoke didactically to the students. Hopefully, my explanation of the word was didactic. You learned something from it.